Bandhavgarh National Park is known for the Royal Bengal tiger. The density of the tiger population is the highest known in India as well as in the world. The national park was the former hunting preserve of the Maharaja of Rewa. The reserve is usually open for the tourists from 15th October to 30th of June. Due to hot weather during summer season in the month of April, May and June, some people prefer to visit during the month of October to March. Bandhavgarh National Park safari are always booked beforehand, mainly in core areas, so you have to plan well in advance. You can advance book your safari permit through official website, that is forest.mponline.gov.in. Link is in the description. The safari timings from 1st October to 31st December are like this: morning 6 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. For evening timing, it's 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. During the month from 1st Jan to 31st March, the morning safari is from 6:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and evening safari is from 3 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. And from 1st April to 30th of June, the morning safari starts from 5:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and evening 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. These are some of the details of Bandhavgarh National Park Safari. Stay tuned and enjoy the national park with us. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.
Look at Mama. Tiger.
वो बैठी हुई है उसके पीछे।
वो 1250। हाँ भाई।